So next topic we will discuss about logical operators. Logical operator, it's one of the testing operator. In Python we will use this logical operator for multiple testing, multi-conditional or multiple testing. There are three operator: logical and, logical or, logical not. All this operator expression written boolean, same like relational operator. And if it already comes from other object orient, means other logical operator programming background, we used ampersand symbol in other language, pipe symbol, not exclamatory symbol. Python we won't use this symbol. So Python will use only this keyword, and all it's case sensitive, lowercase character. And what is AND behavior? Logical AND. When we'll use logical AND, multi-testing or single conditional statement. If you want to test more than one, both the condition must be true. See the table. Condition 1, condition 2, or test 1, test 2. Test 1 success, test 1 failed, false. Test 1 failed, second one is success, also false. Both the condition false, result will be false. So if you want to test it multiple condition in single step, that case we can use logical operators. Name I return root, password I return welcome, I'll return the quotes. I want to test both login is success. Name equivalent to root, it's true, and password equivalent to welcome. If both the condition true, result will be true. Recap the table, both the condition must be true. If username is success, password is failed, it will be false. Or username failed, password is success, that is also not valid. That is AND operator. And whenever you want to put both the condition must be true. Say for example, if you take one enquiry number, the range of enquiry above 500, below 600. Outright condition, enquiry number, if it is, you can take first number, enquiry 1, 450. Enquiry number 2, 650. Enquiry number 3, 560. Among these three, 560 is valid. You can check it. Enquiry above 500. This is false. Once false means AND return will be false. This is true. False with the true, false. Enquiry 2 above 500. This is true, but second one is false. 650 less than 600, it's false. 650, oh sorry, E2, not E1, that's mistake. E2, it's false. E3 above 500, 560 above 500 true, 560 below 600, both are true. So that is valid enquiry. Okay. Recap logical AND operator behavior and see that when we'll use logical operator, multiple testing, only this operation is relational operator, previous topic. Only this relational operator. Now we are combining both the relational operator into single line. And condition, both the condition must be satisfied. Login name and password both should valid. Enquiry above and below both should valid. This kind of case we can use logical AND operator. Another operator, logical OR operator, it's alternate logic. Logical OR operator, it's alternate. Any one condition, I'll show you the table, true or false, result will be true. Or false or true, result will be true. And both the true also will be true. It won't test second one. Both the false, false. So if I take and C name, it's my customer name, CUSA. I want to compare my customer name CUSX or C name, compare CUSA, any one name it's true, it's a true. If it is both the name it's false, result will be false. So OR operator, alternate logic, compare with the boolean table. At what situation it get failed? Both the condition false. But AND, both the condition must be true, then only it will be true. So alternate logic and all, we can use logical OR operator. It's case sensitive. Last one is NOT operator. NOT is opposite of testing. If you say true, not say false. I'll show you more in hands-on topic how to use NOT operator, opposite of testing. So this operators for logical operators. The previous topic, relational operator, we discussed relational operator for single testing, logical operator multiple test. In single conditional statement, we can testing more than one testing. For this case, we'll use logical operators. And relational operator, logical operator, both operator expression return Boolean. Okay, so this Boolean statement and all we can use for validation. I will show you shortly how to use validate in program. Okay, so we'll continue the remaining topic in next class. Thank you.